Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the runtime error you might be getting on your Windows device. And basically this runtime error would pretty much encompass the message that there is a certain application that might have requested runtime to terminate in an unusual way, and you might be prompted to contact the application support team for more information. And there's a very good chance that doesn't really help you much at all, and that is probably how you ended up on this video. So in this brief tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a very common and easy fix on how to hopefully resolve most runtime errors associated like this. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by heading over and right clicking on the start button, and then we're going to left click on the command prompt and in parentheses admin from this menu. So left click on that. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. So now that we are in an elevated command line window, we're going to type in bcd edit space / set, another space. Now type in increase and then type user VA space 2800, so 2800. So again, this should read out bcd edit space / set space increase user VA, another space 2800, and then you want to hit enter on your keyboard, and you can see the operation has been completed successfully. So this should be pretty straightforward. Hopefully it worked for you guys. At this point, I'd recommend closing out of our command prompt here, restart your computer, and try and run whatever application you were receiving this error with, and more than likely your issue has been resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.